Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System User Tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the features available from the company dashboard in Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Express Pass User Tutorial Videos link. After logging into the system, the company dashboard will be displayed. Hovering over any question mark icon will display a brief explanation of the field. Clicking the icon will display a detailed help message. The company dashboard is the primary interface of Express Pass. The section of your company dashboard that lists your company's permit order information is also called the queue. The primary function of the queue is to interact with your permits. If you are a permit service, the permit history is separated by company in your queue. There is a separate tutorial video on how permit services can order permits located on the login page. The New Permit button will initiate the permit ordering process. To order a new permit, click the New Permit button at the top of the Permit Queue panel. If you know which permit type you need, select I know which permit I need and follow the prompts on the screen. If you are not sure which permit you need, select I need help choosing the permit. This selection will begin the Permit Wizard. The Permit Wizard is a series of questions regarding your vehicle, load, and other permit needs. Proceed through the Permit Wizard. Based on your responses, the Permit Wizard will suggest the type of permit needed. Selecting an item from the Show drop-down list will allow you to filter the content of the queue by status. The Refresh button will refresh the queue. The Search Permits button will allow you to search for a permit in the queue. After clicking the Search Permits button, select a search parameter from the Search By drop-down list. You can choose from options such as permit number or ID, permit type, dates, VIN, and terminal. Enter or select the information in the text field or second drop-down list and click the Go button. The company dashboard will display the permits meeting the search criteria. The Show drop-down list at the top of the permit queue will define how many records will be displayed at one time. Each column can be sorted by clicking the headers. Sort the columns by permit number or ID, type, submitted, or status. The Action column will perform various actions based on the permit status. Clicking on the Select link to the right of the permit under the Action column in the permit queue will display several options from which to choose. The various actions available to users are dependent upon the permit status. Permits that have a status of unfinished indicate the permit order process is incomplete for a variety of reasons. Choosing the Select link in the Action column will let you resume the permit to complete it or cancel the permit if it is no longer needed. An issued status means the permit is issued and valid. Click the Select link in the Action column to view the actions that can be performed. View the Permit Details page by clicking the View Permit link to view all the information the permit contains. Click the Copy Permit link to start a new permit and retain the same information. Some information can be changed for the new permit. Click the Request Amend to request an amendment for the issued permit. For permits with an issued status, the PDF of the permit can be opened directly from the dashboard by clicking on an Issued Permit Number hyperlink. Express Pass uses several other statuses to indicate the position of the workflow for the permit application or to indicate if additional information is needed for the application. The Administrative panel is located on the upper left side of the company dashboard and contains several links to navigate the permitting system. The Annual Permit Route link is used to identify a route for an active annual permit that has been purchased. The Bridge Studies link allows users with bridge studies to search for and view past and present bridge study information. The Charge Account link displays a list of recent charge account transactions for your account, print reconciliation reports, and make payments to the charge account. There is a separate tutorial video on charge accounts located on the login page. The Company Data link will display the company data screen where supervisor users can edit items such as users, passwords, and vehicles. If you have a status of user, clicking on the company data link will allow you to edit only your name, email address, and phone number, and change your password. All users should enter an email address, prompt question, and response in order to retrieve a username or reset a forgotten password. This saves time, allowing you to bypass calling the permit office for a password reset. The Vehicles section contains all the vehicles your company has stored in the system. Clicking the Excel icon will open an Excel file of your vehicle inventory that is stored in ExpressPass for easy reference. There is a separate tutorial video on updating company data located in the login page. The Company Correspondence link allows users to view all company correspondence. The Pre-Trip Routing link will allow users to generate a route without actually submitting an application to ExpressPass. This feature is provided as a service for quoting loads and is a suggestion only. The route is subject to change during the application process depending on actual dimensions, restrictions, and other factors considered by MDOT. The Reports link will allow users to view and print various reports, such as a reconciliation report and a company's assessment warrant payment history. The Route Surveys link will allow users to search for past and present route surveys and view the status of the route survey. There is a separate tutorial video on route surveys located on the login page. The Saved Trips link will allow users to see a list of saved trips and edit the trip name or delete trips that have been saved for the company account. There is a separate tutorial video for saving trips located on the login page. The Shopping Cart link will allow users to locate permits, pending payment, and provide detailed information regarding permits available for purchase. Once a permit application has been approved by an MDOT user or has been self-issued by ExpressPass, the permit will be available for purchase in the shopping cart. A second location located in the upper right corner of the dashboard contains the shopping cart button and will display the number of permits and a summary of the permits awaiting payment. Permits not purchased by midnight of the requested start date will be automatically canceled at midnight and given a no payment status. These permits will no longer be available for purchase and a new application will need to be submitted. Permits can be paid for from either location. There is a separate video for a more detailed description of the shopping cart located on the login page. The Vehicle Import link will allow users to upload their vehicles into ExpressPass for faster permit ordering. You must have a file on your computer that contains information about your fleet. You can find a blank Excel file in the Vehicles section of your company data by clicking the Excel icon as long as no vehicles have been previously uploaded. There is a separate tutorial video on importing vehicles located on the login page. The Permit Rules and Regulations button will display the Mississippi Permit Rules and Regulations in searchable PDF form. Many other helpful options are located on the right side of the company dashboard. The Assessments and Warrants button will allow you to view any outstanding assessments, warrants, and liens. The number of unpaid assessments and outstanding warrants, if any, will be displayed when the Assessments and Warrants button is clicked. Click on the Pay Assessments link to pay for any outstanding assessments, warrants, and liens. The Pay Outstanding Assessments, Warrants, and Liens screen will be displayed. This screen will display the issue date, receipt number, highway, driver, vehicle, and amounts. To pay for one or more items using a credit card, check the box to the right of each item needing to be paid. Then click the Make Payment button. In the Make a Payment box, enter the amount you wish to pay and click the Submit Payment button. You will then be directed to the credit card processor site to continue entering the payment information. Once paid, you will be redirected back to ExpressPass. The Messages section contains important announcements from MDOT. The messages displayed here will quickly allow you to see items that pertain to the trucking industry and permitting in Mississippi. The Message Center is also used to announce system maintenance and scheduled downtime. The Statistics panel displays basic information for your company, such as the number of permits issued for your company today and the number of self-issued permits for the day. These numbers are refreshed throughout the day as permit activity continues. The insurance section is only for carriers without a US DOT number and is used to upload insurance accord documents and view the expiration date. There is a separate tutorial video on uploading insurance located on the login page. The United Carrier Registration section will allow users to access the UCR portal and M.UCR form. The Home button, located at the top of the screen, will always bring you back to your company dashboard from anywhere throughout the system. The Help button at the top of the screen will display the Help context box in searchable form, and the Logout button will log the user out of the system. This concludes the ExpressPass user tutorial video on navigating the company dashboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.